So yeah, as you can tell by the title, today I'm going to do the first mod on the Clio. If you haven't seen the first video on this car, it was just a little walk around showing you some plans for it. That'll be linked at the end or something, I don't know. But today we're going to be spraying, we're going to be spraying the front badge. As you can see, it's chrome. I would spray the back one as well, but yeah, you have to take off like the whole thing, all that, so I'll do that another time. But I'm going to be spraying it black, of course, so hopefully you learn something. If you don't, hopefully you enjoy. Yeah, see you in a bit. So, for this mod, you will need a screwdriver to pry it off and a cloth so you don't scratch it. You want a cloth, because obviously you don't want to scratch paint, although this paint isn't amazing. As far as I'm aware, there's one clip here, then two here. So, let's see how that goes. I haven't got any bolts for my grill, so my grill might come out. That's alright. Bloody hell, there's a whole of the A41 coming out. I think I just broke it. Hopefully that was just a clip and not a snap. I'm slightly worried. Yes, lad. Took it off. I told you. 3 clips, no snaps. That's what it looks like. I might just drive around like that. I'm joking. So what I'm gonna do now is clean it, because that's like 15 years of dirt. It's not 15 years. I cleaned it the other day. Clean that, because why not? And then give it a little sand of like 2,500 grit. Not too strong, obviously, but just so it has a little scratch. And then apply the paint. So yeah. So obviously we got the badge, 2,500 grit, as I said. It's just from Halfords, like the wet and dry paper. I should probably have it wet, but I'm not too fussed. If it goes on, I can just order a new badge. So do you want to come and have a look? Excuse all the tidiness, but basically I forgot to clean it first. What a mess. So I've got the cleaner, got the tish. Oh, like new. So that's about as clean as I'm willing to make it. As I said, I'm not too fussed. Now I can start with this again. I probably don't even need this as either, but so yeah, you just want to like just give it a little scratch, but I'm sure it's fine, because obviously as you drive, like the stones, the wind, all that, it like scratches it. So time to spray. I've got the satin black from Halfords. I'm sorry about the filming. I've never had it like this, because my girlfriend's filming and she's a bit wonky-eyed in her ears. So just give the satin black a good shake, and then I'll see you then. I think it's ready for paint now. I've been shaking it for like half a minute. That's like nowhere near as much as it should be. I've got a little spraying booth. Come on, mate. It's a badge on a piece of cardboard with wind everywhere. That's alright. So I'm going to do about 3 coats, then 1 coat of the lacquer. I probably don't even need the lacquer, but yeah, when you're spraying, obviously you've probably heard it a million times, but you don't want to cover it all in one coat. You're just going to go over, and by the third coat it will all be covered evenly. Okay, yeah, let's go. Bloody hell, this isn't great. Alright, I said you don't want to cover it all, but I covered it all. So, and then after you've done spraying, you hold it upside down. I'm now blind. You hold it upside down and then just spray all of the paint out of the nozzle. Otherwise, if you don't spray it for a long time, it will clog. Then you won't be able to spray. So, that's how you spray it. Then you do like 3 coats and the lacquer. I'll show you at the end of every clip. Yep, see you in a bit. So we've just finished the second coat. You can't really see it. There you go. You kind of can. It is there. It's actually looking sick. I can't lie. So let's have a look at the third one. So we've done the 3 coats. It's actually turned up quite well. My girlfriend did the third one, and for her first time spraying, I won't lie, she is a professional. But now we're gonna, I don't even know if you're gonna go over it with the lacquer. I'm gonna do 1 coat, I think. It probably won't change anything. And we're done, we'll see how it looks on the car. So I won't film the lacquer, I'll just show you it once it's on the car. So alright, so as you can now see, we've finished spraying the badge. It's come out quite well, small imperfections, but overall it's come out really well. We did 2 layers of the lacquer and it's made it really smooth, really shiny. So as far as I'm aware, it should just pop in again. And that's that. Bloody hell, that looks alright. I know it's only a small mod, but that really has changed quite a bit. I think at some point now I'm going to take it off and then do a little colour in there. But for now, that'll do. I know it hasn't been much, but thank you for watching. It was my first mod on the car, whatever. If you have enjoyed, like, subscribe, all that. Comment any suggestions if you've got any. I'll see you in another one. Cheers, mate.